A change is brought about because ordinary people do extraordinary things. In the unlikely story that is America, there has never been anything false about hope. If you're walking down the right path and you're willing to keep walking, eventually you'll make progress. There's not a liberal America and a conservative America. There's the United States of America. Nothing can stand in the way of the power of millions of voices calling for change. It's important to make sure that we're talking with each other in a way that heals, not in a way that wounds. You can put lipstick on a pig. It's still a pig. Our stories may be singular, but our destination is shared. While we breathe, we will hope. You can't let your failures define you. You have to let your failures teach you. The worst thing that colonialism did was to cloud our view of our past. We may not be able to stop evil in the world, but how we treat one another is entirely up to us. Cynicism is a sorry kind of wisdom. A nation that can't control its energy sources can't control its future. Change is never easy, but always possible. We will outstretch the hand if you unclench your fist. It's only when you hitch your wagon to something larger than yourself that you realize your true potential. There is no excuse for not trying. I wish the country had fewer lawyers and more engineers. Each path to knowledge involves different rules, and these rules are not interchangeable. The best anti-poverty program is a world-class education. Although the principle of equality has always been self-evident, it has never been self-executing. What makes a man is not the ability to have a child, but having the courage to raise one. Reading is important. If you know how to read, then the whole world opens up to you. Be conscious of God and speak always the truth. Scientists and engineers ought to stand side by side with athletes and entertainers as role models. This victory alone is not the change we seek, it is only the chance for us to make that change. We are a people of improbable hope. Change won't come from the top. Change will come from mobilized grassroots. Religious freedom doesn't mean you can force others to live by your own beliefs. When I was a kid, I inhaled frequently. That was the point. If they bring a knife to the fight, we bring a gun. What matters is how well we have loved.